Hannah? Hi, good morning.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, thanks.
Good. Things going well?
Yeah.
Great. Good. Are you contracting at all?
Dr. Vonnie Simmons loves her job. At the UW Medicine Neighborhood Clinic in Shoreline, she sees her patients through some very interesting times in their lives.
You get to care for them when they're pregnant. You get to care for them if they're having problems with bleeding later in life and potentially need to have surgery for that. You get to help care for women when they're going through menopause. And so you really get to work with women for very unique times. And that's the baby's heart rate. It's perfect.
Every patient is special to Dr. Simmons, and everyone is different. She treats them as partners in determining their individual care.
Educating them and then helping them make a choice as to what the next step should be, what the next treatment option should be. With both obstetrics and gynecology, there are many different approaches for various problems, and it's definitely a team approach with the patient.
Patients benefit from collaboration between the clinic's 2 University of Washington obstetrician gynecologists. Dr. Wendy Lorentz finds great joy in caring for women throughout their pregnancies.
Hello. Sheila, hey. How are you? Are you feeling all right? Yes? I think that patients are happy that I'm there for them and feel grateful, but they don't realize that I probably get just as much out of it as they do, because I think that it's really one of the most rewarding parts of my job is to see the happiness that they feel when they have their new baby. Well, let's take a look with the ultrasound.
Physician expertise and state-of-the-art equipment combine to diagnose and address any pregnancy complications, including potential cesarean or C-section deliveries.
You know what? The baby's head is up here. But there's definitely still a chance that your baby's gonna flip on its own, okay? But the other option is called aversion. And what that is try to turn the baby to the right position. So that is one option. The other option is a C-section.
The neighborhood clinic in Shoreline is supported by the entire UW Medicine system. Babies are delivered at the University of Washington Medical Center, where new families have access to the very latest in world-class care. If needed, high-risk pregnancy specialists and neonatal intensive care providers are available 24 hours a day.
So even though you get the small community feel and hominess of the clinic, we really are part of a bigger system, which is top medical care and specialties and everything kind of at our fingertips, which is wonderful.
And after babies are born, the entire family can continue care with the Shoreline Clinic's team of physicians.
It's been a very mutually beneficial relationship working with the doctors from the other fields, so internal medicine and family practice and pediatrics, and it really does feel like a community up here.
For Dr. Lorentz and Dr. Simmons, there's no better job in the world than what they do every day.
There's definitely a lot of joy in our job. We get to tell good news most of the time, which is really fun, and we get to help patients through really fun times in their lives. It is really exciting to participate in a delivery and help a family develop, and to see a mom see her baby for the first time and to see a father see his baby for the first time. That is really exciting.